Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, April 28th, and this is my recap at the top of your videos from Friday. And on Friday, the US dollar came in number one, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the euro dollar from Friday morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we did have a pretty significant push down on Friday. I actually see this as 5 waves up, especially if you start comparing it to other dollar pairs. So I'm definitely calling this a wave A. I think this is probably going to be some sort of a wave B, and I would expect another push down for a wave C. I think the 61% is a pretty likely area, especially with all the resistance back here. So I'll be looking for the 61.8, maybe the 78.6 for the end of an ABC crescent and potentially the continuation of the uptrend. I would still call this uptrend either an A or 1. I would call this 3 ways down, either a B or 2, and then we should learn and earn at the same time whether this is a wave 3 or a wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions, and it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the members by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.